Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to complete our eighth chapter. Okay, today we are going to complete our eighth chapter. Uh, Next two chapters, Flash is there. So almost, I hope this month itself, almost our portion will be over. Okay, and the question answer, fill in the blanks, everything. We have to read everything by yourself and you have to mark answer. Upcoming days I will upload all the question answer and one word. Okay, but before I upload, you have to read by yourself, you have to understand every concept and you have to try to mark by yourself. Okay, now in Excel few topics are remaining. Okay, in Excel few topics are remaining. First of all, last class we seen undo, redo, sorry, last class we seen edit mode, replace mode. Today we are going to see undo and redo. Now here I am typing 56, 23, okay, 78, some value we type. Okay, computer. Now here I am replacing, okay, replacing 89. Now like this, mistakenly you changed the value, but you forgot what you made here. Okay, you forgot what you made here. So this is called, means if you want to go back, this is called undo. If you want to go back, what the modification you made, okay, what the modification made by you previously, if you want to go back, that is called undo. Okay, here you can able to see top. I'm opening magnifier. So I want to go previous action. Okay, here in a top, here we can able to see this. This is called what? Undo. Here we can able to see it is showing the display. Undo 89 in C3. Shortcut is what? Control Z. Okay. Now kindly see here what I am going to do. Now I am going to press what? Control Z. 23 came. And if I want to use this arrow, just press that arrow. We typed computer na, before computer what you typed, again over, means previous modification, previous action what we done, over. Sir, now I want to go forward. Mistakenly I done 2 3 undo extra, undo option I used 2 3 time extra. If I want to go forward, here is a option, forward, redo. If you are going backward, it is called undo. If you are coming forward, it shortcut is control plus 5 y for redo. See, control y, y, again control y. Again I am using a shortcut control z, 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 means it is going previous. If I press control y, coming forward, 89. Again if I press control y, nothing will be. Okay, because after means after 89 we didn't do any editing work. Okay, this is called undo and redo. Again I'm saying undo. Okay, undo means going previous action, previous modification. Redo means forward. Okay, forward the undo. This is a thing you should know. Okay, and shortcut for this is a control ctrl plus z, and for this ctrl plus y. Okay, so this is a shortcut. Okay, now only few things are there: inserting rows, column, moving a sheets. Now here I want to insert one row. Already you know row means what? Horizontal. Column means a vertical. Now just right click. Okay, here we can able to see the option insert. Okay, insert is here you can able to see. Click insert. Now here I am making it zoom. When dialog box opened, entire row, where I selected entire row, it is in a B3. This is a cell I selected. If I click entire row, okay, now one row is inserted. Kindly see here. Before here is no any place. Here one entire row is inserted. Before here there is no any place, correct? If I want to insert one column means what? Vertical. Same, right click, insert. Okay, here is the insert, just one click. Now entire column, click OK. Now one new column inserted. Row, one column and one row. This both we inserted. Okay, sir, only this is a way I am using Control Z. Sir, this is a way to insert. No, only this is not a way. With the help of the menu bar also you can able to insert. Okay, here I don't want this. If I want to delete, right click. Okay, here delete is a just delete. Again see, right click, just delete. This selected entire column is deleted over. So here also in menu bar, here you can able to see insert delete. Okay, in this place you may do the practical. Okay, easy method is what? In a mouse just right click, insert option will be. Okay, so inserting rows column over, I used by mouse, you have to do by steps. Here it is. Okay, now moving data and copying data. Okay, if you want to move this data from here to here, if I want to move this data from here to here, how we can able to move? Okay, if you want to copy, just select, just you select, click and drag, right click, copy, and here right click, paste. Okay, right click and here you can able to press the paste. Okay, now it is pasted. Copying means just copying data from one place to another place. Moving means removing data from one place to another place. If I want to remove, right click, cut. Okay, right click and cut. Now data will be removed from here, and if I want to paste a right click, paste. Data removed from here and it is pasted here. This is one method. And moving a data by using drag. How? Now I selected the data. Now move your mouse cursor to the border. Now it is turned into 4-headed arrow, correct? Now click, drag. Wherever you drag, it doesn't matter. Now I am releasing my mouse. I just holding my mouse key, just I am releasing. Over. Now it is moving. It is called moving data. If I want to move this, just click. Now 4-headed arrow, click and drag. Now it is moved. Okay. So what are the way to move data from one place to another place? Cut, paste, or else select the cells. Move your mouse cursor, it will change into 4-head. Now click and drag. This is called what? Moving a data. Now at last one. Okay, autofill. I will insert one new sheet. Autofill is used to fill automatically. Okay, example here, see, 1, 2, 3. Now see here what is going to be. I just selected this. Now move your mouse cursor to the corner, plus sign is there, click and drag. Now automatically, can you able to see this is autofill? Automatically it will fill the values. Sir, only this, not only this. Jan, Feb. Now just click and drag. January, February, March, April. If you are clicking more and drag, see it is going continuously. Sir, only this, not only this. 2, 4. 2, 4 means what? 2 plus 2. Now we are adding 2. Now see here. Are you getting? In case 183, 184. Now just click and drag. See what is happening. Okay, this is called autofill. Sir, only this we will do. You can do the formulas also. You can do the formula. Now see here, equal to D2 plus E2, enter. What we written the formula? D2, this cell and this plus addition. Now see here, this 2 cell is adding now. This 2 cell is adding and it is giving data here. This is called what? Auto sum. If I change any value here, 55, it is reflecting here also. Okay, this is called auto fill. Okay, so my dear students, your 2 chapter is over. Next class I will upload question answer, fill in the blanks, everything for your this 2 chapters. Okay, please take care. Thank you. Thanks for watching.